Here's what really happens in divorce in under 60 seconds. Divorce is super, super predictable. Even if you have children or lots of assets or no assets, businesses, separate property, inheritance, it's still pretty basic. And this is important for you to know before you go out and drop tens of thousands of dollars on an attorney. And I'm an attorney, and I'm still telling you this. In every single divorce, we take a list of all of the assets when they were acquired, divide the community property in half, and everybody walks away with their own separate property. So for that, you just got to figure out what the community and separate property is, the values, and then cut it down the middle. And even if you don't like the fact that you're cutting it down the middle, that's what happens. So wrap your head around it and stop fighting about it. Kids, yeah, you're probably going to share them. Don't like the other parent? You don't have to deal with them. Let them have the kids on your time and go out and do something fun. But also, get this through your head that you're going to be sharing the children, sharing custody, and then you don't have to spend tons and tons of time, money, stress, emotional energy fighting over the kids. Debt, gonna be divided. Even that credit card that you didn't ever approve the purchases on, but that all happened during the marriage, yeah, it's gonna be divided. You're on the hook for it. Even if you stayed home and you never worked and you're like, how do I pay for half the debt? Well, it's half yours. Child support, super straightforward. There's guideline calculators that almost every single county uses. Just plug in the numbers of the income and the timeshare and voila, you've got child support. Spousal support, not quite as simple, but almost. And the reality of spousal support is that both parties are going to be expected to become self-supporting. So you're going to have to get a job or keep your job. And then you're also on the hook for your marital decisions. So if it was okay for your spouse to stay home the entire marriage, then you're going to have to accept that you're paying spousal support at least for a period of time while they become self-supporting. Why? Because you made that decision. So again, think about it, own it, and then move on. So you're not spending time, energy, resources, and money getting through your divorce.